Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram chat theme. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open the App Store, search for Instagram, and check if the button shows update or open. Because if it says update, make sure to update the app first, and if it shows open, it means that you're using the latest version of the app. So let's now head over to Instagram. On your home page, click the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then choose a conversation you want to customize and tap on the person's name at the top. So look for the theme and select that. And from here, just feel free to scroll through the available themes and choose the one that you like. For example, right here, I'm choosing Besties. And that's it. Your chat theme has changed, giving it a cool new look. Now, if you want to switch themes again, just repeat the process and pick another one from the list. And that's how you can easily change your Instagram chat theme. If you have found this video helpful, listen to leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.